Hey guys, today we will look into the Binance Launchpad and how you can earn some extra money using the Launchpad if you invest into cryptocurrencies. So let's read this post here. Historical data about Binance Launchpad. In a launch pool, imagine something falling out of the sky, an airdrop where you have BNB and some free tokens fall into the pool. Yes, just for the heck of it. In a Binance Launchpad, you're buying a token for a tiny amount of money at the start. It is crowdfunding for their project, an ICO initial coin offering. Historically, you will find that you always get much more out of it than any other currency. One simple rule of thumb is that the more BNBs you have, the more they will let you buy, and therefore the more you may stand to gain. There have already been 70 projects that have released their tokens through Binance Launchpad by subscription. How to subscribe? First, hodl minimum 0.1 BNB when the Launchpad is announced for that week.
Second,
Leave BNB in spot the day of subscription and go to the main page and manually subscribe the amount you want, and it has been calculated for you.
third,
When final new tokens are distributed, the percent BNB will be deducted and the rest would return to spot. Remember, you're buying it.
fourth,
Then you can trade or wait before selling it. In general, lately it seems that for each BNB you have, you may have now like $1 in these tokens. It depends on total participants committed their BNB. Check historical behavior. Initial price 0.025 till $1. April 28, 2023, 1 EDU is $0.05, then it was $1.27, then on April 29th the all-time high was $1.67, and on May 29th it was $1.49. You can read all the other examples here. I won't do it for you, so we will just continue reading. As you can see, it always went up, not only first days but also some months later. So that is why you have to check what is the project about and market behavior to decide what to do with it. Hashtag do your own research. So imagine you could have got about $100 worth in these tokens. You would have the same day of Launchpad or at the all-time high moment this value. 2000 EDU is $2,540 till $3,340 and so on. Not bad, huh? As you can see, you could earn from 3 to 40% more than what you had initially. Maybe your allocation is only $1, $10 or $100, but still worth it, isn't it? If you still don't know how Launchpad works, please read information about it and its projects. You only need some BNBs, so not a lot of money. Be careful, the days before there are always scammers trying to sell you those tokens in other platforms or send you some airdrops. All of them are fake scam. Just keep your eyes on the official Binance web, launchpad.binance.com. Then there's another link, and another link. Non-financial advice. There you go. So if you want to invest in the Launchpad to earn some extra money through launch coins, check out the Binance Launchpad. Thanks for watching.